Hey guys, welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Today we're heading to the dealership where my new truck has just arrived. Actually, it arrived last night, so it's sitting outside. They still need to do some things to it. I think Maggie's pretty excited over there because we're to drive through. Anyway, the truck is sitting there. It needs running boards put on and some paint protection film. Today's Sunday, so the dealership's closed. I just want to go have a peek at the truck. So I'll take you along for that ride, but we'll do the full reveal and take delivery later on in the video. All right guys, we're at the dealership. I am parked right across from my truck. Still needs the running boards put on, as I mentioned, and paint protection film. That's okay. I'm gonna get out and do a really quick lap around the truck. One problem though is we do have outdoor speakers at the dealership here playing music that could be copyright protected. So I'm not able to air that on social media without permission. So you might just get some copyright free music playing in the background, and you might not be able to hear me talking just because I'm competing with that speaker out there. Either way, I'll keep it short, and then when I take possession of the truck later on in the video, we'll have a much closer look. So let's go have a look. Hey guys, we're at the dealership right now. They're putting on paint protection film, then they're going to put on the steps, but I think if we act quickly, we might be able to catch them putting that film on and get some footage for you. All right guys, today is the day. Today's delivery day for the GMC Sierra AT4. I'm very excited. I got some of the family with me, but I had to coerce them into coming. So we got Starbucks. We drink far too much of this stuff. Anyway, let's go see the truck. There it is, guys. That's got to be it. It's got to be the one right there. Got our insurance. There's the truck there. Let's go have a closer look. All right, here's the new rig. I got lots of plans for it. We're going to do some stuff with the lights right away in an upcoming video. I'm gonna probably wrap these mirror caps the same as the body color. Wheels, I have some plans. I'm not gonna give everything away. I'm going to tint the tail lights, so definitely want to subscribe to see that video. I'm gonna black out the badging. I'm gonna do some stuff with this badge. I might do some stuff with the cargo light up there. These exhaust tips are gonna be changed. Like I said, lots of plans for the channel, so Yeah, I'm excited. This is fantastic. I haven't bought a new truck for myself in 8 years, so yay me. I don't know. Anyway, this is it. All right, I know you guys are pretty familiar with the flack that GMC's been getting for these interiors. I know they're not as updated as they could be. It's got all the amenities though, and honestly, it's a big upgrade from what I had from my 2013 Denali. Giant heads-up display in front of me, heated and ventilated seats, a lot of trailer options, so when I do pull the boat and the holiday trailer a little bit, everything's settled there. I'm happy. I can't complain. I'm just really excited for the mods. I'm just a mod and DIY guy. All right, nerds, here we go. Not you guys watching the video, these nerds in the truck.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah, Maddie is.
Oh.
Put some shades on. It's nice and high up there.
Yeah.
All right, we're back at headquarters here at Don's Life House. A couple things. We got our first two mods we're gonna do very quickly and then we'll end the video. We've got this organizer tray from Amazon that should have came with the truck, to be honest, but it didn't, and I wasn't gonna order one from GM. This one from the reviews is just as good and much less money. And then we also have this Ronin short antenna, bullet antenna, to replace that one there. So let's do that quick. Okay guys, we got the first two mods done on my brand new 2021 GMC Sierra AT4. Lots of mods coming. I'm actually going to start some right after this video. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It'd be great to have you. And if you like today's video, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And we'll talk to you guys next time.